Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about our 10th chapter, surface areas and volumes. So, we already learned in our earlier classes the figures have only length and breadth are called two-dimensional figures. Here examples: rectangle, square, triangle and circle. These are all called two-dimensional figures. These figures have only length and breadth. And next, the figures which have length, breadth and height are called three-dimensional figures. These are all called solids. So here cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere, these type of figures are called solids. Why? Because these are three-dimensional figures. Here length, breadth and height are called three dimensions. In this chapter, how to find surface areas and volumes of these solids. Solids are cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere. So, first one, surface area of cuboid. There are two types of surface area. SA means surface area, total surface area and lateral surface area. Generally, cuboid made up of 6 rectangles. Here these are 6 rectangles, 6 faces. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 front face and 6th one is the back face. 5th one is the front face and 6th one is the back face. Here the cuboid made up of 6 rectangles. Sum of these 6 rectangles area is called TSA. TSA means total surface area. So sum of these 6 rectangles area is called TSA, total surface area. The formula of TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula of total surface area of cuboid. Next one, here lateral faces are 1, 3, 5 and 6. These are all called lateral surfaces. So this area is called lateral surface area, LSA, that is equals to 2H into L plus B. These are the formulas of total surface area and lateral surface area of cuboid. Once again I repeat, here surface area is classified into two types. First one total surface area and next one lateral surface area. So here generally cuboid made up of 6 faces. So these 6 faces, 6 rectangles area is called total surface area. So total surface area formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area formula. And next one, lateral surfaces are, here lateral surfaces are 1, 3, front face is 5, back face is 6. So these faces are called lateral surfaces. This surfaces area is called lateral surface area. So that is equals to formula 2H into L plus B. Next one, volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? Here the definition, the measure of space occupied by the cuboid is called volume. The measure of space occupied by the cuboid is called its volume. So here volume of the cuboid, this is the cuboid, breadth is B, length is L and height is H. So volume of cuboid is equals to area of base into height. Here area of base is L into B. This is the area of base. Into height is H. So total product is L into B into H. So that is equals to LBH. So units of volume is cubic units. Here centimeter cube, meter cube, inches cube. So these are the examples of units of volume of the cuboid. So volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H. Area of base into height. From the formulas of cuboid surface area and volumes, we also find total surface area and lateral surface area and volume of cubes. So these are cubes. In a cube all faces are equal. Here total surface area of cube is equals to area of all surfaces, area of 6 surfaces, that is equals to a square plus 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 a square. So that is equals to 6a square. So next one, lateral surface area of cube. So lateral surface area means surface area of lateral faces. Here lateral faces are, this one is the lateral face, this one is lateral face, and this one front face and back face. These four are called lateral surfaces. These lateral surfaces area is called LSA of a cube. So that is equals to a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. So that is equals to 4a square. Next formula, volume. Volume of cube is equals to, here area of base into height. Here area of base into a, that is equals to a square into height is a. So a square into a is equals to a cube. This is the volume of cube formula. Total surface area of cube is 6a square. Lateral surface area of cube is 4a square. And volume of cube is a cube. These three formulas are derived from cuboid formulas. So this is our first question from exercise 10.1 based on surface areas of cube and cuboid. The question based on surface area of cube and cuboid. Here find the total surface area. TSA means total surface area and lateral surface area of the following right prism. Here right prisms are, cube and cuboid are also called as right prisms. Cube and cuboid are also called as right prisms. Here cube dimensions are 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. In a cube all sides are equal. Here dimensions are length, breadth and height are also equal. Here a is equals to 4 centimeters. In a cuboid length is 8 centimeters, breadth is 6 centimeters, height is 5 centimeters. This is height, this is breadth and this is length. So the dimensions of cuboid is length is 8, breadth is 6, height is 5 centimeters. We have to find total surface area and lateral surface area of the given right prisms. Here right prisms are, cube and cuboid are also called as right prisms. Here LSA, lateral surface area of cube formula is 4a square, that is equals to 4 into, here a is 4 centimeters, that is equals to 4 centimeters square. Instead of a we have to substitute 4 centimeters here. So that is equals to 4 into 4 centimeters square means 4 4s are 16 centimeters square. Here 16 into 4 is equals to 64 centimeters square. Centimeter square is the units of given cube. Here next one, lateral surface area of cube. TSA formula is 6a square. So that is equals to 6 into, here a square means 4 centimeters square. So that is equals to 6 into 4 4s are 16 centimeters square. 16 6s are 96 centimeters square. So total surface area of cube is 96 centimeters square. Here units of area is centimeters square. Lateral surface area is 64 centimeters square and total surface area of cube is 96 centimeters square. Next one, cuboid. We have to find total surface area and lateral surface area of the cuboid. So next one, total surface area of cuboid. Here formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Here L means length 8 centimeters, B means breadth 6 centimeters, H means height 5 centimeters. Here 2 into LB, L into B, 8 into 6, 48 plus BH 6 into 5, 30 plus LH. Here L is 8 centimeters, H is 5 centimeters. So 8 5s are 40. So that is equals to 2 into summation of these three values is 118. Units are centimeter square. So that is equals to 236 centimeter square. Here centimeter square is the area units. Next one, lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area means four sides area, that is equals to formula 2h into L plus B. Here h is 5 centimeters, L is 8 centimeters, B means breadth 6 centimeters. So that is equals to substitute these values instead of L and B and h. So that is equals to 2 into 5, h means 5, into L plus B, 8 plus 6. So that is equals to 2 5s are 10, 8 plus 6, 14. Here units are centimeter square, area units are centimeter square. So that is equals to 14 into 10s are 140 centimeter square. So total surface area of cuboid is 236 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 140 centimeter square. This is the way we have to find total surface area and lateral surface area of any right prisms. So next solid is right angled triangular prism. This is the half of the part of cuboid. This is the sectioning of cuboid. So here the volume of the right angle triangular prism is area of triangle into its length. So once again I repeat, volume of right angle triangle prism is area of triangle. This is the area of triangle into its length. Length is here. This is the length. So that is equals to area of right angle triangle is half into base into height. Here half into base into height into here length of the triangular prism is L. So units are cubic units. So formula of volume of triangular prism is half into base into height into length. Its length. So units are cubic units. This is the one of the sectioning part of cuboid. Next our solid is pyramid. Here this is the pyramid. So here the base and height of the pyramid is equal to base and height of the right prism. Then the volume of right prism is 3 times of pyramid. When the volume of right prism is 3 times of pyramid, or volume of pyramid is 1/3 part of right prism. So volume of the pyramid is 1/3 part of the right prism. Here when height of the pyramid and base of the pyramid is equal to base of the right prism and height of the prism. Here heights are equal, here bases are equal. Then the pyramid is 1/3 part of volume of right prism. So volume of pyramid is equals to 1/3 part of volume of total right prism. So that is equals to 1/3 into volume of right prism. Area of base into height. Here is also area of base into height. This is the height. This dotted line represents the height of the pyramid. Here base is A, height is H. The pyramid heights and bases are equal to the heights and bases of a right prism. Then it is the 1/3 part of volume of the right prism. This is the first question from volume. Find the volume of cuboid. Here the solid is cuboid. If length of the cuboid is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. So here length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters. Find its volume. Here volume is question mark. So length is 12, breadth is 10, height is 8. Units are centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. Here the volume of cuboid formula is L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. So that is equals to, here length is 12 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. So multiplication result is 960 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into centimeter, centimeter cube. So this is the units of volume. So cuboid volume is 960 centimeters cube. This is the final result. Next question, volume of cube. This question from Do This. So find the volume of cube. If its edge is 10 centimeters. So this is the cube, edge is 10 centimeters. Here length is 10, breadth is 10. So height, this is the height and this is also height, that is 10 centimeters. So volume of the cube formula is A cube. So that is equals to here 10 centimeters cube. Here 10 cube means 1000. Centimeter cube is centimeter cube. So volume of any solid, units are centimeter cube. Volume units are centimeter cube. So result is 1000 centimeter cube. So finally volume of the cube is 1000 centimeter cube. This is sixth question, exercise 10.1. Problem based on find the volume of prism. Find the volume of triangular prism. This is the triangular prism. The question is, the base of the prism is triangular. The base is triangular in shape with sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Sides are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Find the volume of prism and its height is 10 centimeters. Here height, this is the height. This is the height or length. Height is 10 centimeters. So the volume of triangular prism formula is area of triangle into height of the prism. Area of triangle into height of the prism. So that is equals to half into base is 3 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters and height of the prism is 10 centimeters. This is the height, 10 centimeters. So that is equals to 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 10, 60 centimeter cube. So volume units are centimeter cube. So volume of given triangular prism is 60 centimeter cube. This is the first question from Do This. Question is volume of pyramid. We have to find volume of pyramid, that is square base pyramid. So question, find the volume of a pyramid whose square base is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. So this is the square based pyramid. So height is 8 centimeters. This is the height, this point to topmost point. So this is the height, height is 8 centimeters and the square base is 10 centimeter. The base is 10 centimeters. This side is 10, this side is 10, this side is also 10, this one is also 10. So square base pyramid whose side is 10 centimeters. So here base is 10 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters. We have to find volume of pyramid. So volume of square pyramid formula is 1 by 3 into volume of right prism. So that is equals to 1 by 3 into area of base into height. Here area of base means area of square means a square. Here side is 10. So 10 square. So 1 by 3 into 10 square into height is 8 centimeters. So that is equals to, so 10 square. 10 square means 100 into 8. 800 by 3 centimeter cube. So volume units are centimeter cube, cubic units. So that is equals to, change it into mixed fraction. So that is equals to 266 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So that is equals to, change it into decimal form. So 266.67 centimeter cube. This is the final volume of given square pyramids of dimensions. Base is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. Finally our result is 266.67 centimeter cube. Next question, do this second one. If the edge of the side is increased by 50%, find the percentage increase in surface area. Here surface area is nothing but total surface area of cube. So this is the cube, edges are 50% increased. What about the percentage increase in surface area? This is our question. So find the percentage increase in our surface area. This is our question. Here surface area is nothing but total surface area. So here the formula of total surface area of cube is 6a square. How many edges are in a cuboid? What? All are 12 edges. So these are all 12 edges in a cuboid. Here edge is equals to a. 50% increase means 50% of edge. Half means multiplication. Half represents multiplication in algebra. So that is equals to 50 into a is equals to 50% means 50 by 100 into a. So that is equals to 1 by 2 into a. So a by 2. This is the increased percentage. So 50% of edge is increased means a plus a by 2. 50% of edge is increased means a by 2 plus a. So that is equals to 3a by 2. So surface area is nothing but total surface area. Formula is 6a square. 50% of edge is increased means size of the edge is 3a by 2. So that is equals to 6 into here. We have to substitute 3a by 2 instead of a. So 3a by 2 whole square is equals to 6 into 9a square by 4. So that is equals to 27 by 2 a square. After the cancellation, 27 by 2 a square. So percentage increased is equals to 27 by 2 a square minus, first our surface area is 6a square. Why? Because here edge is a. So minus 6a square, 27a square by 2 minus 6a square by actual surface area, that is 6a square into 100. Percentage increased formula, surface area increased minus actual surface area by actual surface area into 100. So that is equals to, so result is 15a square by 2. So this result is 15a square by 2 into 1 by 6 into 100. So result is 125%. So when the edge is 50% increased, then the surface area is also 125% increases. This is exercise 10.1, fifth problem. How does the total surface area of a box change if each dimension is double? How does the total surface area of a box if change each dimension is double? Here first box, when each dimension is double, it gets length is 2l, breadth is 2b, height is 2h. So total surface area of cuboid formula is 2 into lb plus bh plus lh. So here length is 2l, breadth is 2b, height is 2h. Substitute these values in our formula. So that is equals to 2 into 2l 2b plus 2b 2h plus 2l 2h. So that is equals to 2 into 2 2s are 4 lb, 2 2s are 4 bh plus 2 2s are 4 lh. So that is equals to 4 is common, 4 into 2 into lb plus bh plus lh. So our final result, when dimensions are double, then its surface area get 4 times. This is the final result. Okay, my dear students, hope you understand this concept. Remaining, try this and do this and exercise 10.1 as your homework. If you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.